Hey guys, okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a shot of the skates in natural outdoor lighting. I don't have anyone to film me today, so it's just me. We're gonna do, I don't know, what do they call this, vlog style? But I'm gonna do a little bit of a skate around so you guys can see how these skates perform on just regular concrete. This concrete is pretty smooth right here, it's a bike trail, but let's see. It gets a little bit rougher over here on the actual gravelly part of the trail. But I mean, the skates are amazing. They are gliding through, no problem at all. It might be better if I just wait till I have someone that can film me on this. But I skated out here on this bike trail the other day, and they just did so amazingly well. I hope you guys can see. It's hard to skate, look where I'm going, and also look where the shot is as well. But yeah, they work perfect on outdoor concrete. They're gorgeous. I got several compliments on them. So yeah, great outdoor wheels. They're gliding over rocks, sticks, all that kind of stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Just wanted to give you a little update on the skates. When I can get around to it, I will do another video with someone filming me so you can kind of see how they work. So see you guys next time. Bye.